In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bigcommerce API credentials in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Bigcommerce website. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the web page and click on the login option. This will lead you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you've got your login details on hand for a smooth experience. Once you've filled in your email and password, go ahead and click the login button. This action will direct you to your Bigcommerce dashboard. From your Bigcommerce dashboard, you'll spot the settings icon on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to open a wealth of options related to your store configuration. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled API. The goal here is to access the API settings of your store. Within this section, you'll want to select the Store Level API Accounts option. This is where you can view existing accounts or, as we're about to do, create a new API account. To proceed, click on Create API Account. This is the start of a simple process to generate new credentials. When prompted, choose the V2, V3 API token option. This tells Bigcommerce that you're looking to work with their latest API versions. Next up, you'll need to enter a name for your API. This name should identify what the API will be used for, making it easier to manage if you have multiple tokens in the future. As you proceed in this section, you'll notice that your API credentials are automatically generated. This is a handy feature that simplifies the process considerably. Before wrapping up, you'll navigate to the OAuth Scopes section. This step is crucial because here you'll define the level of access your API will have within your Bigcommerce store. From the list of fields provided, select the maximum level of access for each one. Carefully configuring these settings ensures that your API can communicate seamlessly with your store. Once you've made those selections, you'll move to the final part of the setup, saving your API account. Locate the Save button at the bottom of the page and click on it. After saving, you'll be presented with your client ID, secret, and access token. These are your access credentials, which are essential for interacting with Bigcommerce's API. Be sure to copy these credentials and keep them secure, as you'll need them for any application or integration you plan to implement. Finally, once you've secured a copy of your credentials, go ahead and click Done. That's it, you're all set. You've successfully set up your Bigcommerce API credentials, opening up new opportunities to enhance your e-commerce solutions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using your newfound API access.